Alright, so today, Dad, I'm going to show you how to get rid of all the unnecessary trash on your computer the easy way. Now, this may or may not delete some of the viruses on your computer. What this will do will take out all the temporary files. And what temporary files are is pretty much any type of data processing you do on your computer pretty much makes garbage files, hence temporary files. A lot of that will clutter up the memory. It's kind of like gunk inside your engine. Once you clean it out, everything works a little bit more smoothly. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So what I like to do is use hotkeys. So hold down the Windows key and hit R1. Excuse me. Hold down the Windows key and hit R. Will bring up the run menu. Now if you can't do that, another way to bring up the run menu, just go in the search bar and hit run. And that would bring up the run menu. Then what I need you to do is type clean mgr. Like so. Hit enter. What this is doing is it's searching through your C drive or your hard drive, which is the C drive, and it's collecting all the data that you have, and it's going to determine what's crap, what you can and can't get rid of. And when that actually goes through, I'll show you what you should check so you can delete. Now this may help, this may not help as far as your internet problem. We'll see. Now if you haven't done this in a while, it's going to take a long time. So I want you not to get impatient with it. Alright. So you will get this. Now everything that's checkmarked on this sub menu is going to be set to delete. So download files, temporary internet files. But the main thing I want you to look for is the temporary files. I have 1.3 gigs. That's a whole lot of useless crap that I'm about to get rid of. Now what else? Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and push OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Heck yeah. And again, both processes, you starting up and you deleting, is going to take some time if you haven't done this. Now this is something you probably should do once a month, or maybe 2 times a week, depending on how often you're doing transactions as far as processing on the internet. What I mean by transactions, if you're going into downloading, uploading, those are transactions. If you're doing a lot of that, you probably want to do that regularly. God, I can't talk. Alright, so that's what I just did. Gotta do the process again. And as you noticed, most of that stuff isn't in here anymore. That temporary files aren't in here. Now I'm gonna clean system files. And that's the gist of it. It's doing its thing. what clean system files is pretty much any type of program or anything like that you haven't used in a long time. It just goes ahead and deletes it because you're more likely not going to use it. So anything that's pretty much absolutely useless to your computer. Alright, so one thing I do not want you to do, as I should have told you from the get-go, as a service packet backups, don't delete that. You're going to need those. But that's pretty much it. Try that, see if that works for you.